camper in a landslide.
Camping is exciting! Oh no! Occurred a landslide here! I'm trapped! I need help! Tinkerbot! Please help me!
Welcome to Tinkerbot Repair Shop. What happened?
I got crushed by a landslide on my way to camping! Look! It is all dents and scratches!
Oh dear. It's really sad, but don't worry. We'll get it fixed up no time. I'll take a look.
Okay, thanks!
Let's see. Dents, scratches, and something damaged. Please wait in front of the car wash. I'll start by restoring the dented areas first. Then straighten the bent part. Remove the scratches now. Looking shining. Time for paint?
I want to look brand new!
Now, let's check your ties. Remove the stone first. Inflate the tire. Time for wash and shine. For some bubbles. Rinse with water. Add some shine. All done.
Wow, I look amazing! Thank you so much, Tinkerbot!
You're welcome. Remember, take care on the road.
I will! Thanks again! Bye, Tinkerbot!
Goodbye.
Camping is exciting!